Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to purchase a Groupon deal. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Groupon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access all the available deals and your account features. After logging in, you'll land on the main page. Look at the upper left corner of your screen and click on Group Deals. This will take you to a dedicated section where you can find all the group offers available in your area. Alternatively, if you already know what you're looking for, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find specific deals that interest you. Now take your time to browse through the group deals that are displayed. You'll see various options ranging from dining experiences to activities and services. These deals are designed for groups, so you'll often find better value when purchasing for multiple people. Once you find a deal that catches your eye, click on it to view the full details and available options. On the deal page, you'll see different options available for your group deal. These might include different packages, time slots, or service tiers depending on what the deal offers. Select the option that works best for you and your group. Next, adjust the quantity if needed by clicking the minus and plus icons to increase or decrease the number of vouchers you want to purchase. Once you've configured your deal exactly how you want it, click Buy Now to proceed to checkout. This will take you to the payment page where you can finalize your purchase. If you have a promo code or gift card code you'd like to apply, click Enter Promo Code or Enter Gift Card Code, then type in your code. This is a great way to save even more money on already discounted deals, so make sure to use any codes you have available. Now it's time to complete your purchase. Select your preferred payment option from the available choices such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit or debit card, or PayPal. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Finally, click Pay to complete your transaction. The system will process your payment, which typically takes just a few seconds. Once the payment goes through, you'll receive a confirmation email with your voucher details and instructions on how to redeem your group deal. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a Groupon deal for you and your group. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.